Yeah, sure.
Hour 30. We haven't slept in over a day. This is real life. This is the wild. We're talking about Hawaii, airplanes. Even the birds have taken over this majestic land. As you'll see over here flying around on these chandeliers.
There's some birds around here somewhere. Finally got to Hawaii after like 6 hours. Couldn't sleep on the plane. The seats weren't comfortable enough. There's birds around here somewhere. We saw them before. Of course they're gone now. Where'd they go?
Probably back to their nest.
They're somewhere around here. I'll get them. Or they probably flew somewhere else. Oh, just be walking around here for like 3 hours.
In this savage land, they destroy your stuff if you're not looking. You have to be near your shit all the time. You have to protect it. Otherwise, those birds will come in, and they don't care if it's a leaf or a twig or a nacho. They're coming in and they're taking your shit.
Alright, thought I saw the birds again. You can hear them. Oh, there's a bird! Hi, birdie! You crazy bird. They just hang out here. Oh. Not feeling very hungry. It's weird. I'm like, I have no energy, but I'm not sleepy, even though I couldn't really sleep on the plane. Hopefully, this panda bear and owl neck pillows and my blanket will help, because it was pretty cold on that dang plane. And there's an Asher. Timmy, 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 Timmy.
Pretty good, Jasmine. Thanks a lot.
You can see the birds over there still.
Are you recording this?
I'm recording lots of random stuff.
Are you recording this fucking song?
Yes. The birds like it. Maybe we'll get closer to the birds randomly. Because, you know, what else am I gonna do? And we tried going to the Gordon and Beers or whatever the heck it was. They wanted like $11 for some dang French fries, or like a handful of them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on, birds.
For the gun in the officer's hand. The officer is standing. The man is on his back. So I have two questions for you. Could he have been reaching for the gun? And even if
I don't know what that bird's building up there, but he's doing a good job. And he dropped his string again. I think it's like the 5th time that bird keeps dropping his string. I don't know what he's doing. He's changing his mind about that string.